Hi guys, today I'll be doing another video. I'll be checking all the birds, and yeah, so as you can see there's the female, so we'll start with this couple. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I think it's 7 eggs, so well done to them. As you can see, here is another budgie couple. We'll be checking them. So as you can see, that's their babies. Probably two sisters there. So yeah, that's cute. Move your head. Move your head. There you go. So yeah, these are all the my baby budgies. There. So yeah. And then, as you can see, there's Emma and all her babies with go on. I think it's 2 eggs there. So yeah, and then there is a few babies here. Cute. And here are the zebra finch extras there. As you can see, there's the baby and the parent. There's the dart and the females in the nest. So, I think it's 3 eggs there, I think. So, well done to this couple. As you can see, there's the baby zebra finch, and then they're the 2 parents there. And we probably won't have any more eggs right now. So no, it's very dark, so I don't think we can really see that. As you can see, this is another couple of budgies. No stuff in here. So, yep. Here are the 2 first batch and second batch babies. Yeah. And there's Suzanne and her male with her baby. There. Very cute. She's sitting in the nest. So they had eggs last time, so they might have babies now, I think, maybe. So yeah. And this zebra finch couple probably have still no eggs. So yeah. So bye guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.